Hello and welcome to Challenge channel. This is gonna be the first lecture in biochemistry. In today's lesson, we're gonna discuss citric acid cycle in a more funny and interesting way. We will give you a lot of mnemonics in order to remember the cycle in a more easy and funny way. Let's go. The other name of this cycle is tricarboxylic acid cycle or Krebs cycle. Our mnemonic for citric acid cycle are: the first one is, oh, can I keep some succinate for myself? And the second mnemonic is, corrupted anti-intelligence agent spoke slander for money. The first mnemonic is for compounds of citric acid cycle, and the second one is for enzymes of citric acid cycle. So let's start with the first one. As we know, oxaloacetate is converted to citrate, then citrate is converted to isocitrate, then isocitrate is converted to ketoglutarate, then ketoglutarate is converted to succinyl-CoA, then succinyl-CoA is converted to succinate, then succinate is converted to fumarate, and finally fumarate converted to malate. So, in order to remember this compound in a simple way, we take the first letter from each word in the following sentence. Oh, can I keep some succinate for myself? So, the first letter of each word is highlighted in red. The letters R, O, C, I, K, S, S, F, and M. So, the word O starts with O, oxaloacetate starts with O. The word can start with C, and citrate starts with C. The word I, by the way, the I is the shortest word in English. It starts with I, and isocitrate starts with I. The word keep starts with K, and ketoglutarate starts with K. The word some starts with S, and succinyl-CoA starts with S. The word succinate here stands for succinate itself. We use the word succinate here in this mnemonic, and we don't use other words start with S in order not to mix S for succinyl-CoA with S for succinate. The word for start with F and fumarate start with F. The word myself start with M and malate start with M. So, to sum up, we will say each word in our mnemonic and its corresponding compound in the cycle. So, the word O, it corresponds to oxaloacetate, can correspond to citrate, I correspond to isocitrate, keep correspond to ketoglutarate, some correspond to succinyl-CoA, succinate correspond to succinate, 4 correspond to fumarate, myself correspond to malate. Finally, I want to say, oh, can I keep some succinate for myself? In the next video, we're going to discuss the next mnemonic for enzyme in citric acid cycle. The next mnemonic is, corrupted anti-intelligence agent spoke slander for money. That's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel in order to get more and more free videos on the time of production.